Good morning again. Alrighty, obviously, I am obsessed with doing Facebook Lives. Never thought I would come to this point, but anyway, I have something I need to share with you. I've shared it many times, but I just can't not share it with you because it's amazing. Amazing. You know, it's that one thing. You start doing your makeup in the morning. And you start, and you do step by step by step, and then you look in the mirror and you're like, something's missing. Like, what is missing from my face that could potentially make this look like 30 bajillion times better? Any guesses? Any guesses? Lipstick, blush, foundation, powder, eyeshadow, anything? Anything? Any guesses? Lip liner? No! Mascara! Hello, Lonnie and Jeff. You need this. Well, you guys probably don't want it, but you should need this. This is amazing. This is LIMELIFE's Perfect Mascara because it is perfect. It makes your lashes. Sorry, I just redid my makeup. Look at these. Like amazing lashes. Little blonde baby lashes. Nothing. Can't see anything. No definition. No volume. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. Who doesn't want that? That's from this. That's one coat of this. Like, our Perfect Mascara, it's amazing. It is paraben-free. It's vegan. It's Leaping Bunny approved. We don't test on animals. Hello, Parky. It has fibers built right into it. So not only is it black, the standard of life, my favorite color, my happy color, the color of my soul, but it has fibers infused into it. So it takes those little baby lashes and amplifies and blows them up and is like, hey, look at me. See? Like this. Like nothing, something. Disregard this thing. My sunken little eyes. But this stuff is legit the best mascara I have ever had. Like, it makes me so happy when I use it because it doesn't clump. It doesn't flake. It doesn't smudge. It's almost water resistant. It's not waterproof, but like I could cry right now and it ain't gonna run. It's not gonna irritate my eyes. I have super sensitive eyes. It doesn't irritate them. It doesn't make them dry and red and itchy. It washes off amazingly easy. Like, you don't have to scrub and scrub and scrub to get, your mascara off your face. And you don't end up with the raccoon eyes underneath, You know what I'm talking about. You get out of the shower and you look in the mirror and you're like, ugh, because all of your mascara basically went from your top to the bottom, and then it just kind of smears down your face. You don't want that. It's not attractive, and then you have to scrub it off, and then you're like, did I really clean my face? I mean, I would hope you did, but who knows? You're the one that washed it. But clearly there's residue. I can help you out with that with a good cleanser, but this stuff it's my favorite, and I am a mascara junkie. Like, my former favorite was discontinued. It's no longer even being made in the world, and it was really upsetting. And they found this. It has a little pine cone brush, so it evenly separates your lashes. we're gonna do a demo. It evenly distributes the product. It grabs the lashes like perfectly. The fibers don't fall in your eye because they're already infused into the formula. I have to get my mirror a little closer so I can do this properly. But like, it's just amazing. Like, I don't have enough words for it. It's the first product I ever bought before I even joined LIMELIFE, almost 2 years ago, by the way. It's almost my 2-year anniversary, and it's like 5 months away, but still, that's impressive. I'm not going anywhere. This company is a gold mine. Like, I don't know how to put it into words that this company is unlike any other direct sales company out there right now. But that's for another time. Or we can talk about it now. I'm just on my lunch break. But this stuff, it literally, like, I'm a perfectionist with my mascara too. That's why when I look for something, I want a formula that is more dry. I don't want one that's goopy and that's going to make my lashes look wet and feathery and stringy. I don't want that. Nobody wants that. And this, it dries really quick. I'm going to show you a trick here in a second. You just gotta separate these few little guys out. And when I put my mascara on, what you wanna do is I start with the wand at the base of my lashes, and you stick it in there, and then you kind of wiggle and you go out. If you want to add additional volume, you can kind of like, I do like a back and forth motion over the tops or the tips. And that's going to help the mascara formula stick to the tip of your lashes. And then it's also going to distribute those fibers. So you get longer looking lashes. Ah, it's amazing. But here's the trick, okay? The trick is going to be a little loud for a second because it's a hair dryer. Now, what on earth is Christine going to do with a hair dryer and her eyeballs? Watch. So you can see, like, look at on my eye. Like, they're curled. They're not sticking straight out. They're not weighed down. They're like the perfect amount of curl for a lash, right? That's where this comes into play. So you don't want to burn your eyeballs. Don't do that. You don't want to go blind, okay? So you're going to take it, and I have a cool, a warm, and a hot heat setting, okay? You put it on warm, okay? Make sure you also have a cool button. You're gonna do off, high, low, what is it? Off, low, and high, okay? So you're gonna do out on warm, and then you're gonna go to low, and now watch. Perfect curled lashes, every time. And you wanna click the cool button as you're doing this to your eye, so you don't burn your eyeball out. So as I do that, was that funny? Yeah, it is funny, isn't it? So as I do that, I'm continuously clicking the cool button because I want a little bit of heat, but I would also don't want to, one, irritate my eyes, but two, I want to basically warm up my lashes and my mascara, but I also want to cool it so it sets them in place. It's kind of like when you style your hair in the morning. You want to do your hair on, preferably not the hot setting, but everybody does. But then when you finish your style, you want to do it on the cool setting so it locks your style in place. Does that make sense? Makes sense. So that's what you would want to do with our Perfect Mascara if you want some additional curl and some volume with them. Probably not the safest, but it works really well. It's better than when I use like a lash curler. I don't even know where my lash curler is. It's somewhere. There she is. So like when you use a traditional lash curler, like this, that's disgustingly dirty because I don't use it. When you do this and then you want, you know, you're probably, hi Sandra, you're probably gonna curl your lashes before you even apply your mascara to your face, to your eyeballs, your eyelashes. So a lot of the times, and this is what happens with me personally, is my lashes already have a really good amount of length. They're thicker, they already have a nice curl. But when I curl them more, they actually fall more flat after I put mascara on it. I don't know why. So then after you put your mascara on, you're like, I need some more curl, right? You need to curl some more of that. So then you go through and you crimp. Well, then you get that line. Like I've tried it where I'm barely even touching it, barely even pressing down on my lashes, and I get like a crimp. Or it's almost like a straight line across, and then it just makes your lashes look horrible. Plus sometimes like when you're pushing down, it'll kind of like mush your lashes together. And it's just not good. Just don't do it. Get rid of this. Plus, just think, you clamp this down on your lashes and somebody scares you, you can pull your lashes out. Don't do it. Get rid of this. Just like just throw it away, okay? Just throw it away. Get rid of the lash curler. I just feel like the heat works a lot better. It's faster, it's quicker. I don't have to worry about it ruining my lashes that I just put so much time into. So I'm going to do just one more coat, and then I'm going to do a little bit more blow drying, and then I'm going to do the bottom coat just to show you, like, look at already the difference. I did lie. I put 2 coats on this already. But they're not spidery. Like, look how, like, they're not a spidery lash. They're like a nice, even, natural lash, okay? It's nice, isn't it? You're jealous. You want this. It's because you're going to go buy it because you're going to treat yourself today. It's Treat Yourself Tuesday. So on my second coat, I didn't think I could explain this much about mascara. So on my second coat, I don't go all the way down to the base of my lashes. I'm focusing on the outer half of my lash. So more on the length. Because when you put more product down at the base, this is where you can also lose a lot of your lash's natural curl, or the curl that you just tried so hard to create. Thank you. Is if you're putting it there, it's actually gonna weigh down your lashes, and obviously then they're not gonna curl. So and I'm kind of impressed. My left lashes are actually kind of cooperating today. That's not normal. Usually the right one is like, yeah, buddy, we're good. Like you saw it, they're good. The left one's usually like the evil stepsister. And then they just don't want to cooperate, so that's the lashes. I do my bottom lashes last because obviously I'm going to blow dry, and I don't want to blow dry up into them, give them the curl that I've been doing, because then it's going to blow my lower lashes up and they're probably going to go in your eyes. You don't want to do that. No. So we're just going to do one more little blast of heat on them just to give them a little bit more oomph. And remember, you want to keep clicking the cool button as you do this. And you don't need to do it for like an extended period of time, just like a quick little blast like I just showed you. And I have super sensitive eyes. Like the wind hits them outside. Like I'm surprised I can do this, but I have super sensitive eyes, so like wind hits it. I have a bad mascara formula. Like my eyes will instantly start watering or turn red. And this stuff does not bother my eyes at all. And like I usually don't have issues with like makeup products, but apparently mascara is one of them, and this is a game changer. Like this stuff is the bomb, literally. And it comes in a silver too, which is my favorite color, along with black. The only color it comes in right now. So, unfortunately for those people out there in the world that don't like black mascara, you're gonna probably have to wait. There was talk a long time ago about getting us different colors. I haven't heard anything recently, but everything right now is black. It's my favorite. Love black. What else can we talk about really quick? I think that's kind of it. I have to do some stuff, but thanks for watching my little mascara tutorial. I enjoyed having you. And if you have questions, you can message me, leave it in the comments. If you want to go ahead and purchase your own, shipping is a solid $2.95, and I have never had faster shipping for $2.95. These little bad boys. These guys are only $20 a piece. They last you at least 3 months. After that time, you do probably want to toss it out and get a new one, because it's going to start developing bacteria inside the tube. And you don't want that in your eyes, because that could create irritation as well as a potential, infection. You don't want that. So, yeah, if you have questions, please drop them in the comments. Otherwise, you can head to my website, which is christinecava.com. And, yeah, we'll talk later. Probably this evening about some other random LIMELIFE thing or my life. Thanks for watching. Bye.